Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Civil Quick Revision. Today I am going to discuss with you train problems. As you all know that in our competitive examination, quantitative aptitude and reasoning are asked. Okay, so in our coming water resource, water WRE assistant engineer examination, or PWD JE examination, we all have quantitative aptitude portions. So today I am going to start with the train problems. Okay, let's start. Before going to train problems, okay, there are train problems. There are some conditions we have to follow. Okay, first condition, you see, as we have one train and we have one pole, or we have a person standing. Okay, you see, this is a train, this is a pole, or this is a person. This is one condition where we see there is a length of train LT, or there is a speed of train ST. Okay, but there is no length for pole, no length for person. In this condition, you see, if we calculate the time, as we all know that time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed. Okay, in this case distance we only take length of train by speed of train. Okay, you just remember this. Now coming to second condition, you see, if we have a train where their length is LT, their speed is ST, and we have a long platform, or we can say breeze, platform, or we can say breeze. Okay, in this case we consider the length of platform or breeze also. Okay, so here time is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform by speed of the train. Okay, now coming to third condition, if we have a train, okay, length LT, speed ST, and the person who is moving towards him, so we consider the speed of the person. Okay, then their time is only, we consider the length of train divided by ST plus SP, means person speed. Okay, if they are coming in the opposite direction, we add this. Okay, you just remember this. This is a very important topic from a competitive exam point of view. Okay, so you just remember this. Now if you see one train, length LT, speed ST, another train, their length is LT2, this is LT1, ST1, ST2, where both are in the same direction. Okay, both are going in the same direction. Then what we do, train time is equal to length T1 plus LT2 by speed S1 minus ST1 minus ST2. We consider if both the train are going in the same direction, then we subtract this. Okay, now one more condition. Oh, sorry, just a minute. You see, one more condition. Where's the mouse? Condition number 5. If the train both are in a opposite direction, if this train is come to this side and this train is come to this side, this L length LT1, speed ST1, here length LT2, speed ST2. Okay, in opposite direction, then formula is T is equal to LT1 plus LT2 by ST1 plus ST2. Okay, you just write it down. If both the train are coming in the same direction or both is opposite direction, then this formula is applied. Okay, now coming to question, we have to practice some of the question. Okay, you see, a train 365-meter long. You see, a train, just a minute, there is some okay, then you see a train length is given 364 meter, passes a pole. This is a pole, this is a pole, passes a pole in 26 seconds. Okay, find the speed of the train. They ask the speed of the train per second. As we all know that time is equal to distance by speed. In this question only we can consider the length of the train. So distance is how much? LT, and they ask the speed, and we know the time. So you see, speed is equal to length of train by how much? Time. Length of train is how much? 364 divided by time how much? 26 seconds. You just calculate it with me please. 364 by 26 is 14 meter per second. All are given in a meter and second. So option C will be the correct answer here. This is option C will be correct answer. Okay, now next question. You see the time taken by a 180 meter long train running at a speed of 54 km per hour to cross the man standing on the platform. Okay, you see a train whose length is given 180 meter and its speed is speed is 54 km per hour. Here the train can cross a man. This is a man who is standing in a platform. This is a platform. Okay, then what they ask, the time taken by the train to cross this man standing in the platform. So as you all know that time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is how much? Length of the train by speed. Length is how much? 180 meter. The option is given in a second, so we can convert this speed to meter per second. 54 km per hour, we can convert it into meter by dividing it to 5 by 18. So how much we get? You see, this is 2 3 3 7. Okay, this is 15 meter per second. You just put it here 15. So 180 divided by 15, each how much? 12 second. Here you see option is, this is B will be the correct answer. Okay, now you see question number 3. A good train 350 meter long passes a tunnel of 1250 meter in 80 seconds. Okay, what is the speed of the train? They ask the speed of the train. So in this question they ask, you see, train length 350 meter. Okay, passes a tunnel. You see, this is a tunnel. Okay, this length is how much? 1250 meter. Okay, this is LT2. Okay, here they pass by 80 seconds. Okay, what is the speed of the train? As you all know that time is equal to distance by speed. Distance how much? LT1 plus LT2. We can calculate both the length of this train and the tunnel, and the speed is how much? We want the speed. Okay, so you can write like this: speed is equal to LT1 plus LT2, and put the value time here how much? 80 seconds. Here length of train is 350 plus length of tunnel is 1250 by 80. How much you got? You see, in this question there is a meter. We get the value as meter per second, but we can convert it into kilometer per hour. So we just calculate it: 350 plus 1250 how much? Divided by 80. Whereas we got the value as 20 meter per second, but we can convert this 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So 20 into 18 by 5. Okay, by 5 4 20, 4 18 18 4 72. 72 kilometer per hour. So option B will be the correct answer. You see here, B will be the correct answer. Okay, now in the fourth number, now coming to fourth question, a 255 meter long train is running at a speed of This is a train, okay, whose length is given as 255 meter, okay, running at a speed of 72 km per hour. Okay, now it crosses a platform. Okay, it crosses a platform whose length is 745 meter. Okay, it crosses a platform of 745 meter in how much time? They ask the time. Okay, now you see, first of all, what we calculate from this equation, we can calculate the time. Okay, so as you all know that time is equal to how much? Distance by lt1 plus lt2 by speed, where it's given as speed of train is 72 km per hour. We can convert it into meter per second, so we can multiply with 5 by 18. So see how much we get. 72 by 18. 72 by 18. This is divided by 4. So 5 4s are 20 meter per second. We just put the value here. Length of train how much? 255 plus length of the platform how much? 745 divided by how much? Speed is 20. So we'll just calculate it. 255 plus 745 how much? 1000 divided by 20. This is 50 second. Okay, here answer will be C. C will be the correct answer. Okay, now coming to question number 5. A train crosses a 400 meter long platform in 50 seconds. A train passes a 400 meter long platform altitude, okay, in 50 seconds. Time is given as 50 seconds. Okay, it crosses another 600 meter platform in 60 seconds. Okay, it also crosses a platform whose length is given 600 meter. Sorry, just a minute, it got removed. Just a minute. Okay, see, I will first again draw a train whose length L, speed S, passes a long platform whose length is 400 meter, okay, in 50 seconds. In the second part, they said that it crosses another 600 meter long platform in 60 seconds. Okay, then what are the length and speed of the train? Okay, length and speed they asked. Okay, now as you see, speed is equal to length of the train. For the first case, you see, speed is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform 400 divided by time is 50 seconds. And in the first case, in the second case, speed is equal to length plus length of train plus length of 600 second platform by 60 second time. If we equate both the equation 1 and 2, okay, then you see L plus 400 by 50 is equal to L plus 600 by 60. You just calculate it. 6L plus 2400, here 5L plus 3000. Okay, from this we got the value L as 600 meter. Okay, these are the length of the speed. You see 600 meter is anywhere. 600, yes, 600, only one option is here, so option A will be the correct answer. But we can calculate the speed also. Okay, you see, if we put the value L length in any of the equation, okay, let's take, we put this equation in this equation, we put L value in this equation. L is equal to S is equal to L plus 600. L is 600 plus 600 divided by 60. This is 1200 by 600. How much? 2. It's 2. Okay, you see, just a minute. This is 2 meter per second. We can convert this in kilometer per hour divided by 18 by 5. So how much? 18 to the we got the value is, just a minute. There is some mistake, I think. 660, no? 600. No, this is 60. Okay, sorry. Okay, just a minute. I will again do this. I will again do this part, just a minute. You can do by yourself also. S is equal to 600 plus 600 divided by 60. This is 1200 divided by 60. This is how much? 20. This is 20 meter per second. Okay, we can convert this in kilometer per hour. 18 by 5. This is 5 fours. 18 fours are how much? This is 4. This is 72. 72 kilometer per hour. You see, option A, 72 kilometer per hour. So in this question, 5A is the correct answer. You can practice with me. Okay. Now I will give you two assignment 6 and 7. Please do yourself and give the answer in the comment section. And if you have any doubt regarding any exam, water resource assistant engineer exam related, you can have any doubt regarding the PWD, JE, or any competitive exam related to civil engineering, you can please feel free to ask me in my Telegram channel, Civil Quick Revision. Okay, and if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and please share my video with your friends. So for today I will conclude here. Thank you so much.